If you have a business that sells to consumers, I have a strategy for you that will help you add an additional 10 to 20 new clients every single month. This is the same strategy that we use to scale our business past 7 figures. And the best part is you don't need to spend not a dime on Facebook ads, YouTube ads, or any other form of advertising. What's going on, family? My name is Ryan Sounds, and I'm the owner of Ultimate Business Suite, which we help entrepreneurs scale their business with automation and step-by-step processes. And today I wanted to share a game-changing strategy that you may or may not be implementing, but however, it will 100% take your business to new heights. It's called the 10-to-1 referral strategy, and trust me, it is as dominant as it sounds. Now imagine you're in the candy store, and every time you bought a candy bar, the store owner gave you 10 other candy bars for free. That sounds amazing, right? Well, the 10-to-1 referral strategy is exactly that. So let me tell you guys a quick story. Yesterday, I was on the phone with a student who said that they only had 5 clients and needed help to get more. They wanted to run ads, they wanted to bring out a bunch of leads, and they needed more clients and needed them now. So she says, Ryan, I need to run Facebook ads. I need your help, but I don't have money for Facebook ads. That's when I introduced the 10-to-1 referral strategy. I told her, listen, you have 5 clients. That gives you 50 opportunities to sell to new people. She said, I don't understand. I have 5 clients. How does that result into 50? I told her for every 1 client you have, you need to get 10 referrals from each of those clients. 10 people that could also benefit from the service you offer. Cousins, aunties, uncles, birds of a feather flock together. That means your customers, your clients, flock in circles of other potential customers and clients of people who can also use your services. So she decided to give it a try. And guess what? On her first day trying it, she was able to get 2 more additional clients added to her business just from a referral. But let me tell you this. People won't do it for free. What's in it for me is the question that your clients are gonna ask. So you need to offer an incentive, okay? Yes, we're talking about a referral program. Incentivize your clients. You can offer them discounts. You can offer them commission. No matter what, if people feel like there's something in it for them, then they're more apt to take action. See, this strategy is simple. It's about leveraging the power of word of mouth. When your clients are satisfied with your services, they become your biggest fans. And when they refer others to your business, it's like an alley-oop. That's easy money. Think about it. If every single one of your clients referred 10 people that they knew could benefit from your services, imagine the heights your business could actually elevate to. If done right, your business would explode in no time with no advertising. So here's your mission. Implement the 10-to-1 referral strategy and watch your business dominate. Reach out to each of your clients, ask them to spread the word, and incentivize them by paying them or offering discounts. Before you know it, your referral army will be working wonders for your business. This is the exact strategy that we use to scale our business without Facebook ads, and the same strategy you can use today for free to start dominating. Now, go out there and do it today so that you can start getting clients. And if you like more information like this, guys, follow me, like, subscribe, comment, and holla at your boy. I will see you on the next video.